Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's hair tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through on how to style this hairstyle and for your adorable kids. This hairstyle is very easy to follow and all you need is just wool. So are you ready? If you're ready to know how we style this hairstyle, watch this video till the end. Let me walk you through on how we make it. Let's get started, guys. First thing first, like I always say, before you start styling your hair or your kids' hair, please always spray with water or um, rosemary water. So any water of your choice. So what I use on this particular hair is tangle free spray. It also is also like water. So try to be spraying your hair first before moisturizing the hair. I moisturize the hair, and after which I packed it. Then I allow it to stay a while before I started making the hair. So what I'm using to make this hair now is just a Brazilian wool, and yeah. So after I moisturize it, I section it. When I was doing it, I make it I cut it like sorry, I do it as if I'm writing C. So this is just the kind of shape that I want. Or I recommend you make it like this, or if you can also make it how you want, like you also section it how you want. But this is how I decide to make this. So from the beginning, I I weave it, all right, and after that, just twist the hair, roll it, make sure everything is smooth. Add a little, if you are using China Jam or you are using any other brand, add it to your hand before you start rolling the hair if the hair is long. So my daughter hair is long, so I had to add my gel in my hand to roll the hair so that the hair will smooth along with the wool I'm using. So I recommend you do it so that by the time you finish pushing back the hair will not show. You see, it looks as if my daughter hair did not even get to those that place. As you can see, my daughter hair was even a way longer than where I stopped the weaving. So if you put gel in your hand, it will just follow it. So that is why I said I recommend you add gel in your hand to smoothen it. So after I section the part, I always use gel to clear the parts before I'll pick out if there is any one still remaining in the part. So just to make it smooth and fine. Sorry guys, about the sectioning. When we are sectioning the hair, if you want to have this kind of shape I am making right now, you have to section it as if you are writing small letter N. I'm sorry, I said C. As if you're writing small letter N. So that's how you do your hand to get this kind of shape. So and yeah, I didn't make it too full that way because I always change my kids' hair every 2 weeks. I know someone advised me to be kind of making it every 3 weeks, but I couldn't. So that's why I always make the simple hairstyle. So this hair right now, when you're done making it, you cut out the excess part if you want, but if you don't want, it's optional. Before you cut it out or after you cut it out, just add bead to it. So the color of bead you also use is optional. After you add the bead, tie it, keep tying it until that place is big enough to cover that bead. And when you want to cut the remaining parts, don't cut it completely because you have to also burn it to cover the bead hole. That way the bead will not fall out. And when you are doing it, before you cut it out, make sure you leave one strand of wood behind. So after that, you're going to be making use of it. That is why you should always leave one strand of wool. So keep watching, guys. This is the first time I'm coming across my channel. Thank you so much and for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. My channel subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Please like and share. Also follow my other social media platform at my TikTok account is Susan Gold or Susan Family. I have two TikTok accounts. My Facebook account is Susan LG. So thank you so much. So you see the way I'm doing it now. So before you push it, make sure you roll it. And if you roll it and you see that it's not working, you are free to lose the hair again and do it again before you roll it. It will definitely enter the second time. So this is just how it is. It's so easy. And the bead I'm using, I got it from Africa. So we live in Germany. So I got the bead I'm using in Africa. The Brazilian wool I'm using, I ordered it online. And the gel I'm using, this one is not a Njam gel, it's different one and is really good to work with. So I will be dropping the name of this one and everything I use in the description section. So feel free to go check it out. And yeah, in case you're interested, you can also just go and order yours. And it is very good, very important, and I recommend as a mom, you're making your kids hair. Don't rely on one product. Don't rely on one brand. Try like two to three or four different brands. For me now, I can use Shanajan. I can use other products, all right, because I have tested it and I know they are okay. So any hair product, I drop the name in the comment section. Feel free to order it because I don't drop the name of the thing I know is not good. When I use it on my kids' hair or myself and I see that it's good, I will drop the name. Okay, so if I'm not dropping any name, you know that okay, maybe this one is not good because I have to wait to see if this the gel I'm using, if it's leaving white substance on their hair. So if it's not, then I will drop the name. But if it is, I will not be dropping the name. After all, I'm not promoting any brand. I'm just making this in case as a fellow mom, you're also looking for other products to use on your kids' hair. So you don't like, I don't know what to use. In case you don't know what to use, you just feel free to just check it out and get yours. So, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please help us to share, okay? Thank you so much. This hairstyle is very easy, it's very light, like it's very, because it's Brazilian wool. So, and everything that I use, maybe the one I forget to explain here, I'll be leaving everything in the description section. That's why I said, feel free to go check it out to know how we do it. I hope you are seeing the way I'm pushing it, the way I smoothen it, and the way I use the wool. It's the same wool as I used to start it. The same thing I'm using to do everything. All right. So I hope you follow it the way I do it and the way I use crochet pin to put the bead and everything, to use lighter to burn the remaining parts and to cut out the excess and everything. So I hope you're following it up. So it's easy. And I believe your kids will like this hairstyle because it's very light. Like when I want to take this hair off, my daughter did not will allow me to do it because she said, Mommy, I like the hair. The hair is nice. It looks as if it's my natural hair. So, and I believe your princess is going to like the hair as well. You can make yours fuller or even more scanty. It's optional. So thank you so much for your time and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now.